Alright, so today we're gonna find out. I get a lot of people that's always asking me like, how much does Juliet weigh? This is Juliet for you guys. If you don't know who Juliet is, by now you should know who Juliet is. But if you don't know, this is her. She's a reticulated python. I get a lot of people that always ask like, how much does Juliet weigh? So today we're gonna find out. We are at a pet store right now with the scale. We gotta, you know what I'm saying, fix that, but we got the scale. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull her out of the. So the first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna have Chase come on over. We're gonna pull her out of the bin. Take her out of the bin. You got it?
Yep.
Just put her on this side so that way if she goes towards anything, she ain't messing up nothing. Alright. She's trying to go back into the bin.
You're weighing the bin first, right?
Yeah, hold that. So yeah, see? We got her out completely. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put this bin on the scale, and then we're gonna zero or just calculate how much she weigh. On top of that, just keep that. Bring it over here. So see, we got the scale at 14 pounds. So we got to take off like 0.5 because the scale was already a little off. So now we got to do is put her back in here and put her back onto the scale. Make this into something again. Load yourself back up. So, comment down below what y'all think she's going away before I put her on the scale.
She is blue.
I know. So, put this back on. Grab that in. Here, hold that. Right here. God dang, woo!
Oh, she definitely gained weight. Woo! Remember the last time we brought her here?
Alright, so we gotta take off. God dang. Alright, so the scale was the pan was like 15 pounds, so we gotta take off 15 pounds from that. Whew.
Shit, that's
209.
That's only, I was gonna say, that's
209 pounds. God damn. Sheesh.
He said, let me see, I don't believe it.
It's 209 pounds. That's a lot of snake.
What the fuck y'all feed her?